Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we are gonna explain what hurricane is. This presentation is by Group 1. The member are Aaliyah Putri, which is me as a speaker 1.
Athifah Nur Insani, which is as speaker 2.
And Berliana Sunyoto as speaker 3.
Okay, enjoy our presentation. Yeah. The name and notion about hurricanes. This is what hurricanes look like from the satellite. And now, a hurricane is a large air mass that spins very fast around a central core. Hurricanes have sustained winds of at least 74 miles per hour and an area of low air pressure in the center called the eye. When hurricanes strike land, they can cause huge amounts of damage. Most of the damage is caused by flooding and storm surge. The scientific name for hurricane is a tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones go by different names in different places. In North America and the Caribbean, they are called hurricanes. In the Indian Ocean, they are called cyclones. And in the Southeast Asia, they are called typhoons.
Okay. So this is how do hurricanes form. First, hurricanes form over the warm ocean water of the tropics. When warm moist air over the water rises, it is replaced by cooler air. The cooler air will then warm and start to rise and causes huge storm clouds. Storm clouds will begin to rotate with the spin of the earth, forming an organized system. And where hurricane occurs, a hurricane will form in the Atlantic Ocean. A cyclone will form in the Pacific Ocean. A typhoon will form in the Indian Ocean. When a hurricane occurs, hurricane season is between June 1st and November 30 each year.
The next The next is parts of hurricane. Hurricane have three main parts, which are eye, eyewall, and rain bands. The eye is an area of very low air pressure at the center of hurricane. There are no clouds in the eye and the wind is calm. The second is eyewall. Eyewall is around the outside of the eye is a wall made up of very heavy clouds. This is the most dangerous part of the hurricane and where the highest speed winds are. And then is rain bands is a large spirally bands of rain. These bands can drop huge amounts of rainfall, causing flooding when the hurricane hits land. And there is diameter is the measured from one side to the other, and the last is height is the storm clouds that power hurricanes can become very tall. A powerful hurricane can reach 9 miles into atmosphere. So the last is the conclusion. In conclusion, hurricane winds have a significant impact on wave action in the ocean and are the type of storm called tropical cyclone. High winds cause the extreme wave during hurricanes, and there have been many storms that have caused major impacts on the environment as well as human life. Because meteorologists can predict and track hurricanes, people living in a hurricane's path can stay safe by advanced preparation, including an evacuation plan, creating an emergency kit, and other supplies. And most importantly, by listening to local authorities on the best way to stay safe.
Okay, that's all for our presentation about hurricane today. Are you guys understand what hurricane is? Okay, thank you for stay tuned in our video. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.